Good morning, everybody. I saw this. I saw this post on Facebook. Someone said they discovered a new bird species, poison bird, in Papua New Guinea. Welcome to Papua New Guinea, the land of the unexpected. And that poison bird is not a new species to us. It has been here all this time. Our ancestors have known that. So those of us, the kids who were privileged to be raised back in the village, and were privileged to be raised under the guidance of our grandparents, especially our grandfathers, we've known that bird for a very long time. You just discovered it. But it's not a new thing to us. This bird has been here all the way. So it is poisonous. Our ancestors know that. They told us. So, like for myself, back in the days when I was a small kid, my grandfather would tell me, this bird is a poison bird. So you don't have to, catch it, or you don't have to hunt it. So just let it go. So yeah, in our local Kuman language, we call that bird Toronggiu. Toronggiu. We call that bird Toronggiu. So they would tell us, don't go and hunt for that bird. It's poisonous. So put it in Kuman. My grandfather would tell me, Gaya, at Nerwan Kua Serwan Kwai Sigro, Kwai Toronggiu and Igor. Kwai Nen Drangiu Rambra. So Kwai Negro, Kwai Kidegra. See, they've known that. So now I kind of felt funny. Tamil Gumor put him on Facebook and all this. They've discovered a new bird species in Papua New Guinea. It's a poison bird. Welcome to Papua New Guinea. It's the land of the unexpected. All these things have been here. It's not new to us. You just came in, you saw it, but it's not new to us. No one thinks you find out something. They've been here. So in Kuman language, Simbu language, Simbu province, we call it Toronggiu. These birds have been here. It's not a new discovery.